In this video, I will show you how to change your default from Google Maps to Apple Maps. So right now it is set to Google Maps as our default method, and in order to change this, you need to do a couple of things. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have something else than Chrome or Gmail set as your default mail and browser. So I'm going to change that first. So first of all, I'm going to my settings. From here, I'm going to click on apps, and then from here, I'm going to look for Gmail. So let's go and type that in. And from here, I'm going to click on default email app and then change this to mail. Now I'm going to my Chrome, and then I'm going to make sure that this is not my default browser. So click on Chrome, click on default browser, and then change it to something else. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and open your Gmail. From your Gmail, click on the three stripes at the top left. From here, scroll all the way down, click on from your settings, scroll down again and click on default apps. And then when you scroll down a little bit more, you see that you have right now set Google Maps as default. And if you want to change it, just change it to something else. I'm just going to click on Maps, and I'm going to click on Maps in here again. And now I'm just going to click on Done at the top right. So now I have changed my default from Google Maps to Apple Maps. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.